You don't know it yet, Dan, but this is the best time of your life.
Probably.
See ya!
End it on a high.
Or a low. Good? Come on, Candy, let's go. Can't find the way through.
That's where I need to be.
What are you doing? You going?
Let's tread it. Yeah, good choice. Who's playing that music? He must be so cool. Who's playing that music? He must be so cool. Where we go? Where we going? Straight? You don't want to do Ogo Pogo? Ogo Pogo? The kids track under the dragon. So just take it nice and slow. Go through the dragon, and once you're through, start looking towards where the next dragon is. There's like 9 of them.
3 trees.
Yeah. It's not steep, it's just, you can just hillside it if you need to. Be a bit of fun for you.
I'm not convinced.
So as you go through the first one, you can see the second one.
Yeah,
So just hillside wherever you can, or turn wherever you can, it'll be fine. If you need to get out, we'll just go sideways, we end up back on Mervyn's.
Oh, you go first.
Alright. So it's just nice and slow, okay? Nice. You okay?
Yeah.
That was good. You done all of that. That's as hard as it gets. It's just a little bit bumpy sometimes. If you try and follow the same line, so I can like hillside here, I can even keep hillsiding round. That's okay. That's alright. Go on, dude. If you want to go in front, you go in front.
I'm waiting for our friend. That's fine.
Cool, no worries. But that's okay. You don't have to hit all the
You
things.
stop there.
That's okay. Are you good to go?
Mentally, probably not.
If you don't like it, we just go sideways and we just go back onto Mervyn's. Mervyn's is just there.
Yeah, no. This shit's not for me.
Okay. So when I go through here, I'll start turning right. I'll find us a path out. Okay. Where's he gone? Daniel!